I had to change the way I do things. I was really a lazy person. So I had to start working smarter. They're practically your next family there. So there are people who are there to help you.
And I know you remember because you always found it. I was cameras and traps inside, you can't come around. I think I'm paranoid, who's at the door?
Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy CM and welcome to CM Reinvented. And we are back at content that is meant to build personal development and all those things. So I'll let him introduce himself as we enter into the video.
Hello, my name is James Mwangweo. I'm a second year student in Tangier, Morocco at the Faculty of Sciences and Techniques. I'm doing MIP, Mathematics, Informatics, Physics. Yes.
Welcome to the channel, James. Thank you for accepting to do this once more.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So to dive into today's discussion, I'll start by asking you what really motivated you to study abroad?
Studying abroad, for me, I feel like it's always been part of my life. I feel that that's something that just had to happen for me. I don't know, but it just had to happen for me. I think even my father wanted me to go abroad, not Morocco specifically, but
abroad.
Just abroad. That's the plan that he had for all of us as his children. Yeah, since my sister was abroad, also me. I think it was just something that had to happen.
And have you had any challenges adapting to the new culture and the education system, considering those differences?
Yeah, of course. It's very difficult because there are many challenges, like the language. The language has been, I would say it's been the most challenging thing as at now. Adapting, because you go in class, you don't understand, especially the first days are very, 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 very rough. I would say you have to be mentally strong. Yeah, first day in class, I remember I didn't understand anything. So, it was really, really tough.
Really tough, yeah. I can relate to that one because I also remember thinking to myself, if I'm going to keep up till this point, I was thinking in my next payment, I'm definitely going back home, getting a ticket going back home. But it's good we are persevering. Your host country, in this case, Morocco, of course, doesn't just come with the distance, but it also comes with differences in culture and beliefs. So during your stay in Morocco, are there any beliefs or anything about the culture here that you found interesting or surprising compared to what you've grown up knowing?
For me, I would say just the small little things, like you find someone praying outside. No, it's really strange for you. Yeah, you find people. Yeah, someone just parks his car, starts praying from nowhere. Like, you're not used. Like, it's really surprising when you see such things. Even when you just, like, on Fridays, especially like in the afternoon, you just find shops closed. You want to buy something, people have gone to pray. It's just so strange for you. All those things. Even the times, even like during Ramadan, like it's like there's like nothing is functioning. People are just going to pray. It's like it's a different world. Like you're not used to such things, so it's really strange. But you get used to it.
That's interesting. Well, I also found the religion being something that their culture in terms of how they take religion serious here is what I really found fascinating, because for us, of course, Zambia is a Christian nation and majority of the population are Christians, but the way we express our beliefs is a little less compared to the way Muslims, or rather is Muslims here in Morocco, do it, because yeah, it's really, I thought before Muslims would just go to the mosque and kneel in the mosque and pray there, but here I know that they can do it anywhere, even in a shop. You walk into a shop and you find the shopkeeper praying, and he's definitely not going to say it to you. So with you are abroad, and of course you are alone here, you don't have your immediate family and all those things. So how do you deal with homesickness?
Oh, first, I think trying to build a sense of community is really important amongst yourselves. Try to make this as though it's your home. That's one thing that I think really helps. Try to become close with the people around you. Yeah, think of them as your family, because they're practically your next family there. Because you're not around your usual family. So try to try to make it like sense of community around your people, your friends, your housemates. Try to make them your family. I think it really helps to not miss home. Also, try to call your parents, your family back home. That's what I try to do. I try to do it as much as possible, although it's not easy because of school. We're very busy at times. Yeah, it's not that easy. But I try to go once in a while. Like there's some times when I'm really down. You just need to talk to your family.
Yeah.
Yeah, you talk to your parents, your sisters, brothers. I think that has really helped me. Yeah, and also having good supporting people around you. That has also helped as well.
But while trying to find good supporting people, hope you don't meet the wrong ones. Yeah. Yeah. What resources and support services have been really helpful for you in integrating into the abroad life?
And one thing I'm grateful for is that there are a lot of people who are able to speak English. So I think it's helped me because there's sometimes when you don't understand things in class and whatnot. So there are people who are there to help you. And also YouTube has also helped me a lot. Even the AI platforms, ChatGPT I utilize it every day. So I'd say that has also helped a lot with trying to understand, trying to cope with the system and the language. Yeah, I'd say those things have really helped me a lot.
And how has studying abroad influenced your personal and academic growth?
For personal growth, I'd say studying abroad has helped me become a more faithful person. Yeah, I think it's strengthened my connection with the Lord, because you don't sometimes when you're back home, when you're in an environment which you're used to, yeah, when you're in your comfort zone, sometimes underestimate the power that God has. But when you come abroad, you see times have changed, things have become tough. You start praying more, then you start seeing how powerful God is. Yeah, you get to realize that, okay, I never did this on my own. God did this. God was there to help me from day one. So I think being abroad has really strengthened my connection with the Lord, and it's also showed me the weaknesses that I had. Yeah, like I never knew I was a lazy person until I came here. I realized that, okay, even though I managed to pass high school, like pass my exams in high school, pass in primary and whatnot, it's yeah I well that was just God's grace. But when I came to university, I saw that, okay, I have to work hard. I have to change the way I do things, because I was really a lazy person. So
Yeah.
I had to change the way I do things. I had to start working smarter, start working more efficiently to make things better. Yeah.
Okay, it seems we're coming to the end of our discussion. It was really interesting and insightful to have you here. There's a lot of other questions I really want to ask, because I have my own experiences of studying abroad, and I also know there's another person with similar but different views about how the experience has been. So it is important that we actually share these experiences so that we try to compare and contrast how it's really been. For others, it will be smooth, and for others, it will be tough and hard. But yeah, thank you very much for coming to the channel. And do you have any plans for post graduation after then? Are you going to stay? Do you think of staying or actually going back home?
I'll try to keep my options open. Yeah, a lot can happen from now until I graduate. So we'll just see how things go. Yeah, if a good opportunity arises, or in Morocco, well, I'll try my best to stay. If something maybe in another country, an opportunity arises somewhere else, and fortunately I get the opportunity, I'll definitely try to go there. But my plans are to go back to Zambia and try to help out my community, because I feel like it's my obligation, because not everyone gets this opportunity to come abroad and to get exposed and see all these things, to learn about all the cultures, the different cultures and whatnot. So I feel it's my obligation to help people, to educate them. So I'd love to go back and give back to the community, and also, yeah, I also just love my country.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'd love to go back to Zambia.
Yeah, it's just imperative that we actually give back. Yeah. So thank you very much for sticking around till the end of this video. We really appreciate your support, and yeah, please, thank you for taking me to this number of subscribers we are at. We are on our road to the 100, we're on our road to 100, but we're past that. We're now looking at another milestone, which is 200, and you guys are actually doing the most. Maybe someday we'll get to 1 million. But yeah, so thank you very much. It's been your boy CM, and this has been CM Reinvented.
We were brothers, now look at you. Feeling so sharp about what you could do. On the phone when they call me, they speak of you. Playing games of surprise like it's peekaboo. Took a pic of you. Girl, when I saw you was on the move.